back to another Mallory Performance video. I'm here today with the A45 AMG, which we have just finished producing the Mallory Performance Selftune for. Before we start the rest of the video, make sure you have clicked that subscribe button. So the Mallory Performance Selftune is a device which you plug into your OBD port and you are able to map your car from anywhere in the world, in your garage, on your driveway, anywhere you like, you can map your car. It also enables you to take your car back to standard at any point if you are taking the car back into your manufacturers for any warranty work at all, so it won't void any warranties. So with the Mallory Performance Selftunes, which are all available on our online shop, where the link is in the description, you'll get free with it the Stage 1 remap. Now on this specific A45, the Stage 1 remap on the Selftune will take your car to 420 bhp and 540 newton meters of torque. Now along with the Stage 1, you can also have the option on the Selftune to have 3 more maps stored on there. Now all the maps are tailor-made for that car and we produce them here at Mallory Performance. With the A45 you can have the Stage 1, which comes free, the Stage 2 remap, which requires an intercooler and a downpipe, which are available on our online shop, and then also with this one we have loaded on the pop and bang map, which you'll see further on in the video. Now let's get on with this specific A45 AMG. This specific A45 AMG does not have the front mounted intercooler, it just has the downpipe on, so it wasn't able to go to the full Stage 2 remap. We weren't able to push it further than the Stage 1 just because it's had the downpipe, and we weren't able to load as well one of my personal favourites, the pop and bang map as well, now which I will insert a few clips of right now. You can see we've got the car shooting flames and a few pops and bangs as well, which makes the car sound absolutely unreal. Now because it doesn't have the front mounted intercooler, it ran just short of the 445 bhp, which would be the Stage 2, and it actually managed to produce 414 bhp and 536 newton meters of torque. Now whilst we're here, we might as well talk about the rest of the modifications that this customer has done to this A45 AMG. Now we'll start with the most obvious modification, which would be the air ride suspension. Then moving on to the Maxton front lip, which is available on our website, along with the Maxton side skirts as well. It also has an aftermarket rear diffuser, as long as plenty of other modifications which we may have missed out. And that should about sum it up. Now there is a track day going on there, so it is quite noisy. But guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you click subscribe for more videos. And also remember, if you want to check out the Selftune app and remap your car wherever you want, at home, on your driveway, wherever you like in the world, then make sure you click the link in the description to get yourself a Mallory Selftune now.